Standard time is the perfect tool for DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency, whether that's federal, state, city, any government office that needs to track employees, programs, projects, jobs that people are working on, making sure that they're accountable and that they're efficient in the work that they do. This is the tool. It doesn't stop at government. Manufacturing efficiency, consulting efficiency, engineering efficiency, any efficiency that you need to track and check up on in your company. Here are some of the tools that you're going to get. You have an employee timesheet where people can manually enter time so that you can check on the jobs that they're actually working on, compare those with the projections and the outcomes that you're expecting. You have time logs to see the actual work that they performed, start-stop timers to compare with the program expectations. You have a list of hierarchical tasks in jobs so that you compare estimates with actuals. You can scan barcodes, RFIDs, QR codes to start and stop timers so that you can track the actual work that people are on. There is time off for vacation, sick, personal, other time off. And look at this, you've got resource allocation so that you see where the tasks are assigned to people, workstations, machines, and then you can compare actual work that you're getting from those tasks with time logs. So this is the tool for government efficiency, engineering efficiency, manufacturing, consulting, and just general company efficiency.